Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow everybody to add you to Telegram groups using the latest update. If you've ever had trouble with people not being able to invite you, this quick setting will fix it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open your account options. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, privacy, and notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can contact you, see your information, and invite you to groups or channels. Now, look for the option labeled Invites and tap on it. This is the key setting that determines who is allowed to add you to Telegram groups. You'll see different options here, such as My Contacts or Everybody. To allow anyone to add you to groups, simply choose Everybody. Once selected, make sure the setting is applied and saved automatically. That's it. From now on, anyone on Telegram can add you to a group without restrictions. Keep in mind, while this makes it easier for people to include you in conversations, it may also increase the number of group invites you receive. If that becomes overwhelming, you can always come back to this setting and change it back to a more limited option. If you found this helpful, consider checking your other privacy settings to make sure everything matches your preferences.